Hello, in front of me I've got FC26. In this video I'll show you how to play with friend in Ultimate Team. To play versus friend in Ultimate Team mode, go to Ultimate Team and go to Play. Select Play versus Friend, and here you can find Couchplay and Play a Friend. In Couchplay, you can take on up to 4 friends or AI opponents in one of friendly matches with no consequences. And in Play a Friend, you can arrange an exhibition match against someone on your friend list. Red cards and injuries aren't carried forward. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.